Did your Mustang GT's push button just give up on you? Don't worry, we've got the answers. First things first, let's check the basics. Is your key fob battery dead? If the fob isn't sending a signal, your car won't start. Try replacing the battery and give it another go. Next up, the brake pedal. Sounds simple, right? But if you're not pressing it down hard enough, the system won't activate. Make sure you're applying firm pressure. Still no luck? Let's move on to the battery. A low or dead car battery can stop your Mustang GT in its tracks. Check the battery voltage. It should be around 12.6 volts when fully charged. And don't forget the starter relay. This little component sends power from the battery to the starter motor. If it's faulty, you're going nowhere fast. Listen for a clicking sound. No click means relay trouble. Finally, there's the push button itself. Over time, it can wear out or get dirty. A quick clean or replacement might do the trick. So, next time your Mustang GT plays dead, run through these checks. You'll be back on the road in no time.